Hey, so this is what it looks like when you come back to your car and you park next to someone that's inconsiderate. So they bang their door into your car. And when you do the measurements and figure out that there's no way it could be anyone else, and Mark wasn't there before, then you can do some simple math with your brain and figure it out. Here, take a video for me. So this is just a regular headphones wire, whatever I have to measure with. So I'll do a simple measurement here from the ground to this point that protrudes out of the door, and to where the scuff is, the ding on my door is. Okay, so it's about like this, the plumb line here. Okay. Well, funny how that works out, huh? It's perfectly the same distance. You look at the swing radius from this door, you know that the hinge is on the inside. So, okay, right here is the end of the door. We know that the door swings inside there, the body a little bit, giving you maybe about that 1 inch difference there. So there's the ding, and here's where it would end up. So it's very clear to me that this person inconsiderately parked here, banged their door into my car, which isn't surprising. It's a tight parking lot, but that's still illegal and it's damaged. So here's the license plate. This is a Chrysler Town and Country 4JHB946. And here's my license plate. Here's my car. And today is, what is it, August 10th?
August 10th.
It's August 10th. So look out, people. There's door dingers out there and they have no shame. We're here, okay, this is the ticket that we paid for before we came up, and here's us. It's 3:09 on August 10th, and here's the two cars, and here's the ding that was not there before. So